Hey Cardinals, welcome to our first episode of Season 5 of the Cardinal. I'm Giada, and we're so excited to kick off a brand new year with a brand new team, fresh stories, and lots of fun ahead. We've got updates, interviews, challenges, and of course some laughs along the way. So let's jump right in. First up, let's take a look back at what's been happening around Madison Park. Senior Sunrise on October 3rd was a huge success. Lots of seniors and staff showed up bright and early to kick off the year together. Our open house was also a big hit. We had more than 150 families visit the building, and we gave away a 60-inch TV, Beats headphones, and an essential home basket in a raffle. Congratulations to the winners. And also congratulations to the Media Production and Entertainment Vocational Program. On October 16th, our seniors and sophomores provided full production support for New Mission High School's Hispanic Heritage Celebration. They handled videography, photography, and event coverage, capturing performances and behind-the-scenes moments that showcased both technical skills and cultural appreciation. Did you get to see the Illuminous art display outside the school on October 17th and 18th? If you missed it, don't worry. We've got some photos to show you. What a great and exciting start of the year so far. If you're hungry during lunch, MP has some options for students and staff. The Cardinal Center is open this week during first and second lunch, with snacks and drinks available. Plus, Cafe 75 will be open on Fridays for only staff. And remember, it's cash only. Don't forget, Wednesday is MP Swag Day and Friday is MP Dress to Impress. Show your Cardinal pride and keep that Madison Park spirit going all week. Now let's switch things up and see what's happening around the hallway. It's spooky season, Cardinals. Janai and Joseph hit the hallways to ask some fun October questions. Let's see what everyone has to say.
My favorite horror movie is The Bride of Chucky.
So my favorite horror movie, I think, was Chucky, with all the sequels when the little doll would come alive.
What is it called? The Black Phone? I think that's what it's called.
Jason, Friday the 13th.
Casper. It was so scary. It was a ghost. I like kids.
The Conjuring, because you could see the ghost pulling the child's hair and throwing her across the room.
I like The Conjuring because, I don't know, it's like an actual scary movie.
Haunted House, because it's like fun. You're getting scared, you know?
Haunted House for sure.
I would love to spend the night in a haunted house. I think that would be really cool.
Probably stay at a haunted house.
Scary movies alone.
I'll spend the night at a haunted house because, you know, I'm just like that. Like, I'm just tough, you know, I'm brave.
Watch scary movies alone.
I would spend the night at a haunted house, but if it gets too scary, I'm gone.
I almost fought somebody at Canby Lake Haunted House. That's what
I will stay the night in a haunted house.
I would watch scary movies all alone because I don't like to be bothered anyways.
I'll actually go to the haunted house.
Spend the night in the haunted house. I want the experience.
Haunted house.
Watch scary movies alone.
Those little nickel wafers.
Candy corn.
The candy corn one.
Candy corn.
Milk duds.
The jelly beans. Not a big fan.
The worst candy ever is dots. They don't have no taste. Did I offend you?
Anything with peanuts in it.
Raisins. What? You go to somebody's grandma's house?
Candy corn. Can't get no candy corn, bro.
I would say Reese's Cups because they be putting blades and stuff in it. So, like, just from the store.
Snickers. Tootsie Rolls.
A zombie, because I think I can survive against him.
Vampire. Well, because I could get out the wooden stake and jam it through with a heart.
Definitely a zombie. Because zombies, they don't really have a conscience.
Zombie.
What?
I would say ghost.
A zombie, because zombies are slow.
Probably like a zombie, because you know you could just kill it. Simple. It's already dead. Exactly.
A ghost.
All of them. Oh, I have to pick one. A zombie. A zombie.
I think a vampire, because all I gotta do is throw garlic at them and turn the lights on.
I would say a ghost.
I would say a ghost, because all you gotta do is suck in the air and they'll poof disappear.
This ain't Ghostbusters, girl.
It ain't. I mean, it could be.
A zombie because they're mad slow.
A ghost.
I think a vampire. Like, I would just have to spend the night. Then when the sun comes out, I wouldn't have to deal with it.
A zombie, because it's slow. Zombie slow.
My favorite candy is sour candy. Tell us your favorite candy or costumes in the comments. It's time for our trivia of the week. What color is used to recognize Breast Cancer Awareness Month, which takes place every October? Is it A, blue, B, pink, C, purple, or D, yellow? Take a second to think about it. The correct answer is B, pink. Now let's talk about sports. Congratulations to our Lady Cardinal volleyball team for winning City Championships Girl Volleyball. Let's go Cardinals! Here's what's coming up soon. On October 25th, it's Madison's first ever kickball fundraiser. All proceeds to go to Class of 2026. Then on October 26th, BPS and Live Bus Prep are hosting an opportunity lab. You'll get expert help with college essays, financial aid, and scholarships. Don't miss that one. And of course, pep rally season is almost here. Get your spirit gear ready, Cardinals. Before we wrap up, here's our quote of the week. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. Let's make that motive to keep you pushing every single day. That's all for this episode of The Cardinals. Thanks for tuning into our Season 5 premiere, and make sure to catch our next show, our annual Thanksgiving special. Remember, Cardinals, at Madison, we move with pace, perseverance, accountability, collaboration, ethics. Fly high, Cardinals.